Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening photos and going straight to albums. You don't need to fiddle elsewhere. Once in albums, scroll down to find recently deleted and tap it. Make sure your device isn't restricting access. Check settings photos if the album is missing. If you use iCloud Photos, confirm you're on the same Apple ID so items sync correctly. If not, only locally deleted photos appear. This gets you to the list of recoverable items quickly and reliably. You now review thumbnails and tap any image to see a full-size preview and metadata, which helps decide what to keep. Once you know which to restore, tap Select, then tap each photo or swipe to pick multiple items. You select all if applicable. Make sure you notice the remaining days counter. Photos are auto-deleted after that period. If you rely on iCloud, allow a moment for sync. Files may reappear across devices after restoration. You finish by tapping Recover to move chosen photos back to your main library. They return to their original albums when possible. If you want a free space, use Delete to permanently remove items. This cannot be undone. Once done, check your photos library and recently deleted to confirm. If the recently deleted album is missing or photos don't restore, make sure iCloud settings are correct. Try signing out and back in, or restart the phone as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.